Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate how to add profile pictures for all contacts on an iPhone. If you prefer to keep your profile photo private and prevent your contacts from seeing it on WhatsApp, I will show you how to easily hide it from everyone. To begin, open your WhatsApp application. Once the app is open, click on the Settings option. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down and click on the Privacy option. Within the Privacy settings, click on Profile Photo. Now, you need to set the visibility of your profile photo to nobody. By doing this, none of your contacts on WhatsApp will be able to see your profile picture.